This is a quick demonstration of phase voltage versus line voltage for a Wye-connected three-phase AC network. To demonstrate this, I'm going to use my very inexpensive and safe three-phase generator. It's a DC hobby motor, mechanically coupled to a brushless, sensorless hobby motor, which is essentially a three-phase AC generator, permanent magnet rotor with a three-phase stator winding. The three power connections coming out of my generator here are going over to this set of terminal blocks and resistors, forming a Y-shaped network, 1K resistors each. I use this to give connection points to a pair of voltmeters so I can measure line voltage between any two of the leads coming out of the generator, and then phase voltage between any lead out of the generator and the center point of the Y. Now, in a balanced three-phase system, a Y-type system like this, we would expect that line voltage is √3 times larger than phase voltage. And if you take the ratio of that, phase voltage over line voltage, the ratio should be 1 over the square root of 3, or approximately 0.577. Now, this is very easy to demonstrate if I have a pair of voltmeters connected to that network as shown, and you can see them here. I have a DC power supply that I can turn on and adjust the voltage to control the speed of the DC motor. And of course, by varying the speed of the DC motor, you'll vary the speed of the generator and thereby control its output voltage. So I can dial the speed of the DC motor in to the point where I can get exactly the amount of voltage out of that generator that I want. So what I'm going to do is turn on my power supply, and then I'll adjust the voltage to get the phase voltage of my AC generator at 1 volt, and then the line voltage at 1 volt, and then the phase voltage should be 0.577 volts. So here we go. You can see and hear the motor generator set has started, and currently my line voltage is just over 1 volt, and my phase voltage is slightly over 0.577 that we'd expect. I can try to more precisely adjust this down to 1 volt line voltage by decreasing the speed of my DC motor. Might not be able to get any closer than that. Yeah. So the ratio here of 1 to approximately 0.577 is very clear to see. So it's a good demonstration of three-phase Y-type networks and the relationship between line quantities and phase quantities. And again, it's safe and easy to do using these inexpensive parts and this setup with a resistor network and 2 voltmeters.